A good day to everyone who's watching. In our lesson 5 today in simultaneous equations, we are going to talk about the applications. Our example 1, the sum of two numbers is 20 and their difference is a 2. Find the numbers. So I can begin by let the numbers be m and n. So the sum, that is when I add them, m plus n is equivalent to 20. Then their difference, when I subtract them, should be a 2. So I'm going to solve those two simultaneously using the quickest possible method, that is the elimination method. Equation 1, then equation 2, then I can just add straight away. That is the 2m, n, positive n plus negative n is a 0n. When I add these two, they give me 22. I divide both sides by 2. I get the m as 11. Then from equation 1, which is m plus n is equivalent to 20. I substitute the m to get the n. So when I subtract there, I will be getting a 9. Then I conclude, therefore, the numbers are 11 and 9. Our example 2, the cost of 2 books and 3 pens is 16,000 shillings, and the cost of 3 books and 2 pens is 19,000 shillings. Find the cost of a single pen and a book. So I begin by saying let the cost of a pen be P, then the cost of a book be B. I'm going to form equations from the statements there. So the first statement here, 2 times the cost of a book, which is B, which I've called B, then plus 3 times the cost of a pen should give me 16,000 shillings. Then the following statement, that is 3 books plus 2 pens should give me 19,000 shillings. So I solve those two simultaneously. Equation 1, equation 2, using elimination method. 3 times equation 1 minus 2 times equation 2. My aim is to eliminate the b. So when I multiply 3 throughout that equation, so I'll be having a 6b plus a 9p is equivalent to 3 times 16, that is 48,000. Then a 2 multiplying throughout that equation, I'll be having 6b, then plus 4p, then 2 times 19,000 is the 38,000 shillings. Then I subtract. So when I subtract, that I'll be having 5p is equivalent to, when I subtract there, I'll be having the 10,000. Then I divide both sides by 5 to get the value of P as the 2,000 shillings. Then from any equation, that is I've chosen equation 1, which is 2b plus 3p to be equal to 16,000. So this is going to be equal to 2b plus 3 times the 2,000 is equivalent to the 16,000. So 2b plus 6,000 is equivalent to 16. I take this one the other side. 2b is going to be equivalent to 16,000 minus the 6,000. So when I subtract the 2, I'm getting the 10,000. Dividing both sides by 2, I get the b as the 5,000 shillings. Therefore, cost of the pen is the 2,000 shillings, and the cost of the book is the 5,000 shillings.